Hi, welcome back to Valley News Live. We have a first alert weather day for you on Friday as the third Alberta Clipper of the week will move on through, bringing us rain and then ice and then snow, and then behind it, some bitterly cold Arctic air. So let's take a look. Right there you see Alberta Clipper number 2 just moving out of our area tonight about 10 o'clock. Now, as we move throughout our Wednesday, we're going to see that third one start to brew up in the north, up in Alberta actually, and that's going to start sliding on into our region, and by about 7 o'clock, maybe a little bit earlier, we'll start seeing those impacts with that snow starting to move into our area by that evening, late afternoon on Thursday. Now, as we move throughout the overnight period, that's going to start moving to the east, but we'll still see some of that snow lingering on during the morning hours on Friday. Here we are, 5:30, which will cause for a pretty slick commute. Now, you see that wind moving in behind it. That's going to bring some very chilly air, and that chilly air is going to be with us over the weekend and then into next week, which will see temperatures below zero for much of next week, if not all of next week. Now, we're looking here in Hankinson where the sun is out, and we're seeing a little bit of that breeze as well, blowing those flags around, but it's nice to see the sun out actually. And we're seeing those temperatures here in Fargo, 21 degrees. We're dealing with some clouds up here and that wind making it feel like 7 degrees. Elsewhere, most temperatures are sitting right around that 20-degree mark, though out west, Jamestown there, sitting at 32 degrees, so that's our warm spot, as well as Sisseton, 32 degrees for folks down south. Now, as that wind, not too bad of an issue, but enough to blow some of that snow around, giving some visibility issues, particularly where that snow band is for folks in the east. And there's a look at that snow band. It looks like it's dissipating, but it's not. That radar beam is moving over where that snow is, so it's not returning those echoes, what we see on the radar. Now, as we move over through the afternoon, we're going to watch that snow move off to the east. Temperatures by the evening will be pretty similar to what they are now, but by the evening, we're going to see some of that scattered snow showers in the southeast continue moving, and southwest rather, continue moving out of our area. They'll be mostly gone by around 3:30 in the morning, very early in the morning. Now, by tomorrow morning, we're going to have a pretty chilly start. A lot of single digits, some double digits for folks in the southeast, but some negative single digits for folks up along the border. Now, by noon, we're still going to see those chilly temperatures. We're actually going to fall throughout the day and only increase just a little bit by the afternoon before falling off very quickly again, and then by midnight we're going to see a lot of negatives up on the board as well. Now, this system, by tonight we're going to see maybe a couple of inches for some folks up north, and the rest of us just about an inch, maybe underneath that. Now, tomorrow morning, again, chilly start. Tomorrow afternoon, even chillier, and this next week still very wild. We have snow every day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then that first alert weather day on Friday, bringing some slick conditions in the morning, and then after that, very cold conditions for the weekend and then next week.
There's too many Arctics.
Yes, too many Arctics.
All right.